Tesla is leading the way in self-driving cars, but eventually, all cars will need to have some level of self-driving ability. It's safer, more handy, and more enjoyable to drive, and it's now clear that learning from videos is the best way to train these models. We used labeled pictures for training. We would say things like, "This is a car," "This is a sign," and "This is a road," and we would name them by hand. That's amazing. Now we can just put a movie into the car, and the car will understand it on its own. This technology is similar to big language models, but it needs a very large training setup. The reason for that is because there's video. The data rate of video, the amount of data of video, is so high. The way we teach AI to understand physics from videos for self-driving cars is similar to how we help big language models learn about physics too. Yes, you understood that title correctly. Nvidia fully supports Tesla's self-driving technology, and this has caused a big reaction in Silicon Valley and elsewhere. But that's not everything we're discussing. We'll look at how Tesla and Chinese companies like CATL are taking strong actions worldwide. We'll also discuss how new U.S. taxes on Chinese electric vehicles and batteries could change the future of the electric vehicle industry. If you're curious about how these changes might impact the market and what it means for buyers, you're in the right spot. Remember to like and follow to Tesla Stock News to get the latest updates on Tesla and the electric vehicle market. Let's begin. In a recent statement, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang commended Tesla for its progress in self-driving technology. He highlighted that Tesla's new AI model learns in a way similar to how humans observe. This way is very different from how traditional AI learns, which usually requires a lot of direct input and labeling, similar to teaching a toddler what each object is. Tesla's method lets the AI learn on its own by looking at trends and actions from a lot of video footage, mimicking real-world experiences. There's more to this story than only self-driving cars. Huang also explored how creative AI can be used in many areas, not just in cars. This type of AI doesn't just analyze information, it also creates new ideas, plans, and solutions in different areas. For example, the company Recursion is using creative AI to find new medicines. This technology could learn not just human languages, but also the languages of science, physics, and art. Huang calls this real-world machine translation. Picture a world where AI drives cars, creates important medicines, predicts natural disasters early, and makes art that is as good as that of famous artists. Huang thinks we are close to a new world, with Nvidia leading the way because of its strong GPUs and advanced software. This new development isn't just about staying current with technology. It's about leading the next step in AI progress. This new AI learning method, called multimodal learning, combines film, text, sensor data, and other sources to create a more complete learning experience. However, combining these jobs requires a lot of computing power, similar to trying to juggle many difficult things at once. Nvidia has strong technology that makes it ready to deal with these obstacles. As we look ahead, it's obvious that Tesla is currently the leader in self-driving cars. However, the way they are using AI is something all car companies will need to adopt to stay competitive. It's not just about the convenience and safety of self-driving cars, but about embracing an AI-driven world where technology enhances every part of our lives, making them safer, easier, and perhaps even a bit more enjoyable. What's the main point of all this? AI is growing fast, especially creative AI, which is changing technology quickly. Nvidia plays a key role in this change. Nvidia is a key player in AI development, and its innovations are important for anyone who wants to understand the future of our world. People such as investors, tech fans, and those just curious about technology are looking at teaching AI using video data. This is paving the way for a new time where AI can come up with new ideas, solve difficult problems, and produce surprising results. At the same time, Tesla and Chinese manufacturers are growing quickly in the electric car market around the world. Chinese battery company CATL is focused on expanding internationally and plans to build more plants overseas in addition to the 6 it already has. This growth is important because the local market is getting more competitive. CATL is working with partners like Ford to build a battery plant in Michigan and is also looking to team up with Tesla for a location in Nevada. These partnerships highlight a major move towards globalization, fueled by CATL's technology licensing deals with about 10 manufacturers. This new model goes beyond just providing technology. It provides complete help for building and running plants. The goal is to quickly improve battery production skills worldwide, allowing partners to use advanced technology and improve their operations efficiently. This method helps CATL's partners quickly grow and meet the increasing global need for advanced battery solutions, keeping them competitive in a fast-changing market. The Tesla journey continues beyond that. Each day brings new discoveries with its highs and lows, making life more interesting. That is how Tesla keeps drawing more and more investors into its rabbit hole. Do you know who else is positive about Tesla? Today's sponsor is Seeking Alpha. Tesla's amazing progress isn't something you just watch from a distance. If you're a fan of Tesla or want to find the next big stock, Seeking Alpha is the place to go. It has the latest information on Tesla, its stock prices, innovations, and news about Elon Musk. Ignore the negative coverage about Tesla from mainstream media. Seeking Alpha is the top news source online for pro-Tesla information. If you click the affiliate links in the description and buy something, our station may earn a commission. Thank you for your help. The global battery business is growing, and CATL clearly stands out as a leader. In 2023, the company added a significant 259 GW of batteries, holding a strong 36.8% of the market. This important success highlights CATL's growth strategy and technological strength in a very competitive market. There will be changes because the US is bringing in new tariffs on Chinese electric cars and batteries. This also includes important items like steel, aluminum, semiconductors, and lithium-ion batteries. These taxes will start on August 1st and will impact goods worth about $18 billion. These taxes have many different effects. They are made to defend American industries from unfair competition from foreign manufacturers, especially from China. The U.S. government is using these tariffs to promote industry within the country. This could help create jobs and boost the economy. But this decision might also raise costs for customers and businesses that depend on these imported goods. Let's take a look at how investing in electric vehicles and battery companies could affect your personal funds. Imagine you choose to invest $1,000 in a group of companies from these fields. If taxes raise production costs for electric vehicles, EVs, and batteries, companies like Tesla could end up spending more money on parts or materials. These higher costs could lead to increased prices for electric cars and battery products for consumers. Consumers may hold off on buying new electric vehicles, EVs, or choose less expensive options. This could result in lower sales and a drop in the stock prices of these companies. If your investment portfolio holds stocks of businesses that rely a lot on imported goods affected by tariffs, the value of your investments might go down. If the stock prices of these companies fall by 10% because of lower profits and fewer sales, your $1,000 investment could go down to $900. If the tariffs cause a long trade conflict, the uncertainty might make investors less confident, which could lead to more ups and downs in the market. This situation could make losses worse, so it's important for investors to think about the political risks that come with investing in businesses affected by international trade rule.